Hello, everyone. This is Kuz, and today I'd like to present you an unpacking of the new Lenovo Neo X14 model. So the box looks like this. I ordered on AliExpress. It is already a bit open because when I was receiving the package, I had to check what's inside. But this is how the box would look like, and let's figure out what's inside. If we unpack the box, we will see that inside Lenovo box, well, it's mainly in Chinese. There is certification of Office, and the box looks quite new. Before it was shipped, I asked for the system to be translated into English, so it was opened before sending the laptop itself. Let's see what's inside. Okay, first I see an adapter for the European electricity. You can choose from different adapters on the website. Then I see the charger, which is for the Chinese electricity. Yeah, this looks like this. Well, it's brand new. Everything is packed. And I see the laptop itself. Okay. So, well, it also looks quite new. So that's a Lenovo laptop, and it doesn't have any scars, or how do you say it? If I open it, it looks like this. If I switch it on, well, it doesn't, but probably because the accumulator is low, and that's how it looks like without this thing. It has an English keyboard and some other AMD in Chinese labels. Besides, I have a packet here, and in the packet, the seller sent me some small instruction of Neo in Chinese, and the keyboard layout in Russian, but you can choose any other. So the whole shipment from mainland China to my city took about months, and the laptop itself is tracked on the website, but not on the main US Lenovo website. It is tracked on the Chinese version. It has warranty for 1 year and some extra warranty, but not for the whole laptop, but for some parts of it for 2 years. And the small advice, if you want to look for a driver or things like that, you have to search using the serial number or product number, not on the US website, but on the Chinese Lenovo. So thanks a lot for watching this.